So what you can also do inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom is directly go ahead and import out your photos. So in order to go ahead and do that, if I were to go around over here onto import right here, then what I can do is I can simply click on it and then my import window will open up. So you can see that it is loading, and as I click on it, you can see this particular window that opens up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto images, and let's say for example I'm going to go around onto bats right here. So I can simply go ahead and select out, let's say, a particular image that I want right here, just like this, and then I can simply go ahead and select out this folder right here and then click on import right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that these are the folder that you have right here, and then you actually have imported out the image right here, the bat and DNG, as you can see right here. So this is the folder that I imported right here. So if I want to import another folder, let's say for example an entire folder, I can simply go ahead and let's say for example select out a folder over here on the left hand side. Let's say for example I'm going to select the images folder all together right here, just like this. So now you can see that this is what you have. So I can also go ahead and include out the subfolders. Let's say for example right here, select out images and then click on import, and what happens is that the images with all of the subfolders, as you can see, simply goes ahead and enables. So it says Lightroom can automatically determine the city, state, and country of the photo tag. So let's just go ahead and enable it as well. And you can see that this is what you have. You got the images, and folder wise, you can see that all of them are actually imported, and you can access it from the folder section right here, one by one, right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and import out entire folders inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.